Hello, welcome to Bestifier Tech. In this video, we're gonna see how to manage startup programs on your PC. First, right click on your Windows taskbar, click Task Manager, click Startup Apps. The window is showing a list of apps that runs when your computer starts. I want to disable startup apps for Discord app. I'm gonna right click on it, click disable. The status of the Discord app is showing disabled. You can see here. Now close the window, right click on start icon, hover over shutdown or sign out, press restart. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, press the like button and hit the subscribe button.